This is a BMW G80 M3 and this owner has not taken any chances of it getting stolen. This is John Cleese Car Audio Security's YouTube channel, and as I mentioned, this is an M3 G80 where the owner has taken the necessary precautions to make sure it stays in their possession. And you might ask, how have we done that? Well, in layman's terms, we have added aftermarket security in the addition of 2 immobilisers and a tracker. Now, from the outside of the car, you won't be able to see anything, and from the inside of the car, you won't be able to see anything either. But what we will do for this video, we'll go in the car and we'll demonstrate just what these products actually do and how they work and why they stop thieves from taking their car. So hop in and let's go for it. Now we're in the BMW G80 and the product we're going to go through first is the Metatrak tracker, which is the S5 VTS Deadlock. Now this has an additional layer of security via an immobilisation module which we add to the tracker, so it's about prevention, not just cure. I haven't actually got the tag on me, so I'm going to show you. These are the keys. We're going to recreate what a thief would do, whether they've got your keys, they've stolen your keys, they've copied your keys, cloned your keys, or use relay attack. Either way, keys are in the car. I haven't got the tag. It's somewhere else in the vicinity, and I'm going to try and start the car to show you what would happen. So I put the ignition on, put my foot on the brake. Oh, engine start not possible. The car even knows that it cannot be started. And that's not just a one-time thing. I'm going to keep pushing the start button, foot on the brake, keep pushing start. Engine start not possible. Better contact roadside assistance. Or in this case, I'm just going to go grab the tag and show you what would happen when the tag is in the car with the right owner. Let me go grab it now. Right, so I've just grabbed the tag. That's what it looks like. I'll take it to the camera lens so you can actually focus and look what it looks like. You have 2 of these and you keep one on your person at all times. If you're really sensible, you'd keep the tag and the key separate from each other. However, it's not always convenient, and insurance allows you to keep the tags together anyway if you want to. So we understand if you want to keep them on the same position. So now I've got the tag, I'm going to put the foot on the brake. Hey, and it starts. As simple as that. No fault codes on the dashboard saying engine won't start, it starts as normal. Now, as I mentioned earlier in the video, this has got 3 points of security on it, and we've also added the Autowatch Ghost immobiliser. So, customer has got the keys, or the thief has got the keys, the thief has got the tag, the car is started, wicked, let's go. I put it in drive and it stalls. So, that actually locks the gearbox, the Ghost on this vehicle, so it does not allow anyone to take this vehicle for a drive, even if they have the keys and the tag. Brilliant bit of security when you add both together, the Metatrak and the Ghost. Now I'll give you a bit of an example of how the Ghost works. You're probably already well versed in the product because it's been out for 8 years and it is everywhere. It's an extremely popular product. It's the cheapest, best security product on the market, but we find on its own it's just not quite enough, which is why we recommend putting the Metatrak S5 VTS Deadlock or Deadlock Pro and the Ghost together. So if I start her up, because I have the tag now obviously, and I'm going to put in a generic code to begin with. This is not the customer's code, this is just a demonstration code to send it out. So up, down, on the paddles. I'm going to get myself, my indications are going to flash on the inside of the car, not on the outside, and that will tell me the code has been entered. So now finally I can put it in drive and I can go. It's as simple as that. Great products together, they will stop your vehicle from being stolen, because short of actually dragging the vehicle on a low loader up the road, it's not going anywhere. But because it's got a tracker that is insurance approved, as soon as the vehicle is moved about 10-15 feet without the ignition on, so if it was dragged, you will get notified on the app, and the company that's monitoring your car 24 hours a day will also ring you to say what's going on with your vehicle, why is it moving without the ignition on. Prime example of that is if you go on a ferry, back of a low loader or the Eurotunnel, they'll be ringing you if you haven't told them or you've deactivated the tracker within the app. Now the application on the phone, I haven't got the same tracker on my car, but I do have a version of this tracker on my car to show you. I can go into the Metatrak Plus app, and then what you're going to do is you're going to get, let me log in quickly. It's on Face ID. So you get an overview of the map, exactly where the car is, and then you get the device modes on the screen here. So I've get privacy mode if I didn't want them to track me. Service mode is what you put it in if you're giving it to a garage, so you won't get notified if the battery's disconnected, for example. And then transport mode is what I mentioned a minute ago. You put that on if you're going to go on the back of a low loader ferry or Euro tunnels, make sure you don't get notified. And then if you had the Deadlock or Deadlock Pro, which I should really upgrade to on my car, is you'll get 2 extra sensors, 2 extra sliders on here saying, do I want to block the OBD all year round so people can't clone keys and copy keys in? And also Deadlock means if you push Deadlock on, even if they have your keys, your tag and your ghost code, it still doesn't go anywhere because you've fully locked it from the mobile phone, and it will only unlock if you unlock it from the mobile phone. It is obscenely well protected, this vehicle, and it's very easy to use. There's not really a complicated procedure. Make sure you put a new batch in the tag every year. Make sure you remember your code, and other than that, just get in, muscle memory, put your code in, have your tag on you, drive away, knowing that your car is safe wherever you park, whether it's at home, office, or out on a social. You're safe. And that is it. My name is Connor. This is the G80 M3, Maxim behind the camera, and from the installer Matt who installed it, we hope you have a good day. See you later.